Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix sound crackling problem on your Windows 11 system. In the first step, we need to go to search bar. Then we need to open device manager. Simply click here to open it. On this window, expand sound, video and game controllers, and right click here, select the properties. Now go to drivers tab, and we need to update the drivers. So we need to search automatically for drivers, so click on it. Then the best drivers for your device will be installed. After that, close this window one by one and move to the next step. Simply go to search bar, then type power cfg.cpl, then click here to open it. It will open this window. Then we need to select power saver option. Then we need to close this window. After that, go to search bar and type msys.cpl, then click here to open it. On this window, we need to select the devices, so select it, then click on properties. After that, go to advanced tab, and we need to select the different format. Just select anyone from these all formats. So I will select this one and we will test it. They choose one the best suitable for your fixes. After that, click on apply and then OK. Once done, now simply restart your system and your problem will be solved. You are good to go.